Today we're gonna go from this to this, guys. What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna be doing a mid fade again on myself. Here we're just gonna go ahead and start off with the zero line, just going up above the ear. If you guys are new to the channel, I appreciate you guys watching. In this channel I do clipper reviews, trimmer reviews, and haircuts on myself and on my son. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any future videos. Thank you in advance. Now here I'm doing the other side of my head with the zero still, and I'm going all the way around the head and even the back. Now if you're doing this for the first time, guys, it can be pretty scary, so take your time and don't rush it. And also understand it's not going to come out perfect the first time, as I'm still learning myself how to fade in a perfect fade. Now here I got the one guard open. I'm using the TPOB clipper. I bought this set, it came with the clipper and the trimmer. And I'm just going up about just maybe half an inch or probably less, as you can see there, going on that one side of the head to the other side, and just kind of doing a flick out motion. And you can also hear the crunching of the hair as you're going. Once you're done with the number one, you're gonna go ahead and put on the number two guard open, again open with the guard, and just go right above that number one. Now if you guys have any question, guys, you guys can put it down in the comments and I'll see it. It'll notify me and I can respond back to you guys. For the back of the head, I'm using a handheld mirror. That's how I see the back of my head. I use my my vanity mirror and a handheld mirror to hit the back of my head. Here I'm going on with the number three guard right after the two, and this is the final guard that I use. And I'll be going all the way to the top and kind of flickering out at the same time. Make sure you guys take breaks, guys, because your hand will get tired. Clean out your machine with the little brush that comes with the machine. Make sure you oil between the haircut. Oil the clipper up. Now let me know if you guys want to see a video of how I cut the top of my hair. I skipped it. I'm just showing you guys the scissors that I used to give the top a little trim. Here going on with the zero open. I started attacking the sides, getting rid of that hard line. Now do take your time here, guys, because this is the hardest part of the haircut, I would say. You can really mess this part up. I'm really just trying to flicker out and not to go too high. I got the zero all the way open, and then you'll see me kind of bring it down 2 notches on the clipper and hit it more like in the middle, and then close it all the way up and kind of just hit the bottom line of it. I saw a really good tip on another YouTuber. He said the higher you go up, it's got to be open, and the lower you go on the fade, the more you got to close that zero, if that makes sense. Now here I got the Softy trimmer from the set that I bought with the TPOB set. I believe it came out to like 120 bucks when they had a sale going on. So far I like it. It's not bad. I can't complain about this trimmer. I'm doing the lineup, getting it nice and crispy. There is the final result on the lineup. Just be careful you guys don't go too high up on your lineup. Well, here is the final result, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely want to go up a little bit higher with the zero open in the back. But pretty much this is my end result so far. I'm happy with it. I can rock with it. And after a few days, if you see some spots that you kind of messed up, don't worry, your hair's gonna grow back. Give it a like, please, guys. Comment, subscribe, help out the channel so I can keep making these videos for you guys. I appreciate it. Go check out the other videos. I got unboxings of clippers and the reviews and what I think of the machines. And I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Thank you and peace.